Hi everyone, I am Shahan Layek. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be talking about a very important topic. This is based on a research which is conducted by CSIR. Now you know CSIR. CSIR means Council of, S means Scientific, Council of Scientific and Industrial, and R means research. So Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, they have conducted a study and they have found that there is low risk for COVID in which patients, in which population. One is smokers, so smokers have low risk. Another is vegans, so those who take vegetable diets, they have the low risk for COVID. So let us elaborate in details about these two things. What research CSIR has conducted, who are the people who has involved in this study, and which blood group is at more risk, and let us continue this and let us know in details. So basically CSIR, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, this is actually a organization, great organization, and it has conducted a survey, and this survey has been participated pan-India. Pan-India means whole India. Pan means, what is the full form of pan? Pan means presence across nation, so all India participation. So pan India survey, basically this is known as sero survey. So what is sero survey? Before learning that, let us learn a terminology known as serostatus. So what is serostatus? Basically this is a collection of blood sample. Your blood samples are collected. You know, blood contains, when you collected the blood, it contains a yellow colored plasma. It contains plasma, and let me write it down here, yellow plasma, and it also contains the blood cell. It contains the blood cells, like you can get the RBC, WBC, you know it. So all these RBC, WBC and platelets, all these are the blood cells. So mainly we study the plasma, that is the serostatus. We mainly study the plasma and we find the serostatus. So what happens in serostatus? Basically in serostatus you may get seropositive or you may get seronegative. What do you mean by seropositive? When you get the particular marker, like a particular specific antibody for the SARS-CoV-2, that is seropositive, you get seropositive. And seronegative, that means you don't get that marker. So specifically when you study the plasma of these yellow colored fluid, plasma of these patients, of these people, you may get antibody against that COVID. So you can understand by this status, that is sero survey. This is particularly known as the sero survey. You can understand this is the sero survey which I was talking about. Basically which individuals are at risk and which blood group. Let us turn about it. So blood groups, talking about blood group, a study was also conducted in which it is found if you are B positive or negative, if you are B or if you are AB positive or negative, both you have higher chance, higher risk. So blood group B and AB, they have higher risk. And if you are O, that is positive and negative, and if you are A positive and negative, then you have the low risk. So this is according to the study. Okay, B and AB have higher risk, A and O has lower risk. Another things, let me talk about the study. That is, this study was conducted on 10,427 adults. So all these people has been in the study. Basically, who are there? You know, CSIR is a huge institute which is actually the Council of Scientific Industrial Research. So all the industrial people, the industrial workers, the industrial authorities, their family members, everyone participated, and they they participated in this survey, and 10,427 adults were participated. And what is the result? The result is they have got the 10% of it, that is 1,058 people, they got the antibody. They have the antibody to SARS-CoV-2, so they have the coronavirus. So all this study has been conducted, and which institute has helped in this study? Basically, let me name the institute, that is IGIB. You know the famous institute IGIB. What is IGIB? IGIB means Institute of Genomic and integrative biology. So this is actually a organization based on Delhi. So Delhi based organization known as IGIB. This is an organization, let me tell you IGIB means Institute of Genomic and Integrative Biology. Institute of Genomic and Integrative Biology. They do all the gene sequencing, all the gene work. So gene sequencing, basically for the COVID-19 also gene sequencing. IGIB, Institute of Genomic and Integrative Biology, they have done the gene sequencing of all the COVID-19 throughout the pandemic. So this institute have helped in this survey. And basically, what is the result? The result of this survey is really shocking, and that is the those who take the vegetarian diet, they have the low risk. And smokers, those who smoke, they also have the low risk. The vegetarians, they have the low risk, and smokers, they also have the low risk. Now let me tell you another thing, that last July there is a survey that is conducted by the Ministry of Health Union. They have conducted a survey, and it was found that the smokers have higher tendency to get COVID-19. But this survey, which is recently conducted 3 or 4 months back, which I told you about, the CSIR survey, that generally conducted, and that was found that the opposite result, that is the smokers have lower chance of getting COVID-19, along with the vegans, those who have vegetables diet, they also have the lower chance. Now you may ask, those who exposed to the public vehicles smoke, like public transport pollution and all these things, and outside activity, those are security guards, so they have lesser chance. No, they have, the study also shows that the public transport pollution, security guards and other outside activity pollutions, that smoke will not be protective. That will increase the chance of COVID-19. That will increase the chance. So basically, who has conducted this? Shantanu Sengupta. He is actually the Shantanu Sengupta is actually the senior scientist. He is actually the senior scientist who was more or less the chief of this survey, IGIB. So Institute of Genomic and Integrative Biology senior scientist Shantanu Sengupta has been one of the chief in doing this experiment, and he told that this experiment was one of the greatest experiments of the country, and it was conducted with 3 months duration. So 3 months duration, and 346 individuals were monitored and observed for 3 months, and they had come to these conclusions, and further research they will do and upgrade to us as soon as possible. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make a thumbs up and subscribe our channel, and if you find this video helpful, please share this video to all your WhatsApp group, and if you like this video, write a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.